Misuse of hidden HTML tags. E-commerce has added a new dimension to the internet. I'm sure all of you will agree with that statement. There are many small companies like pop and mom outlets that sell their products and services over the internet. Sometimes what they do is, since a lot of small companies do not have efficient programmers, do not have experienced technical guys, they make the mistake of using the hidden HTML tag to store important information, like for example the cost of the products that the customer is buying from their website. Let me share with you an example which will make you realize how the use of hidden HTML tags can be misused by a malicious attacker. Now say for example I am the victim, you are the attacker. The victim is running say an e-commerce website wherein I am actually selling laptops and other computer products. If you are an attacker, you visit my website, you choose the laptop that you like, you click on checkout, and once you click on checkout, there is a page wherein you are asked to confirm the order. Now in that confirmation page, the item that you have bought is displayed, information about that item is displayed, the cost is displayed, and so on. Now if you look at the source code of that particular web page, sometimes the source code that has been displayed here on the PowerPoint slide appears on the screen. And if you look carefully at this source code, within the form tags of the HTML code, there is an input field, or rather there is an input option which is hidden. In other words, if you look at this particular PowerPoint slide, on the second line you can see that something like input type is equal to hidden, name is equal to price, value is equal to 1000 has been mentioned. In other words, the mistake that the web designer of this particular e-commerce website is making is that they are actually storing the cost of the articles that are bought by the customer in the hidden HTML tags within the web page that is displayed on the screen. So in other words, if instead of 1000, if the attacker, that is you, changes 1000 to say 10, saves the web page and then clicks on confirm and confirms the order, then what happens is, instead of $1000 being charged to you, only $10 will be charged to you. All you got to now do is enter your credit card information, click on checkout, and automatically your credit card will be charged approximately $10 US instead of $1000 US, and you just saved $990 US. Unfortunately, although this sounds extremely unbelievable, unfortunately a lot of websites, a lot of small e-commerce companies continue using this technique. So what are the various countermeasures that are possible against the misuse of hidden HTML tags? First of all, you got to understand that hidden HTML tags should not be used under any circumstances. Sensitive details like the cost of the products being bought by the customer, account information, credit card information, for all that you know, maybe these smaller e-commerce websites are even storing your credit card information and personal account information in the hidden HTML tags. And payment details should not be stored on the server end. Sensitive details like the cost of the products that are being bought by the customer, account information, usernames and password, for all that you know, smaller e-commerce websites might even be storing your credit card information in the hidden HTML tags. And payment details should always only be stored at the server end and should never be stored at the client end in the form of temporary variables or cookies or even hidden HTML tags.